Hello everybody, this is Carter, and today I am so excited because it's been 2 months and we had 0 hurricanes that hit us. And they recorded, and the Weather Channel has recorded a forming hurricane. Its name is Hurricane Dawn. They said it formed nearer to us in the Atlantic Ocean. It's currently a tropical storm. It formed in 5 o'clock, not at 5:10, and it's currently in between 5:10 and 5:20. I mean 5:10 and 5:20. Why did I mess that up? So, yep. According to my dad, which probably is wrong, but you never know. Hurricanes have names, some girls' names, because of, I'll show you why. In talking of the word hurricane, it goes this way. Hurricane, and then that part is hurricane. Get it? Hurricane. H-U-R-R-H-E-R. That's why some hurricanes are named after girls. One might be even named after Tori, my sister. Right. If not, Hurricane Tori is already gone and went into bone. I'm crazy about it. So, yep. We're getting a hurricane. Pretty soon. And comment down below how you think hurricanes form. I'm thinking they form the same way as tornadoes, just reversed. Anyway, thank you for watching. My sister got in the way of my video. So, thank you for watching. As I just said, please subscribe to my channel. And on my next video, I'm going to celebrate for my first subscriber of my channel. Thank you for watching. Wait. Bye. Hold your breath. I just thought of something. You don't really have to hold your breath. Stop it. We could celebrate for our first subscriber as soon as we find something good to do. Something at least dangerous. Like, I could show you a video of the hurricane.
It'll freak me out.
Tori, stop it, or I'm gonna tell on you. But the hurricane's not going to be coming for a while. It probably won't even hit where we are. It probably will go on to, say, Alabama. They are the biggest storms in the world, though. They're even bigger than areas of rainstorms. I am telling you that it is so darn big. Not strong.
Darn.
Tori, that is like a kindergarten word. That's like a kindergarten phrase.
You're not in kindergarten.
Yeah.
You're in first
It's a
grade.
kindergarten phrase, girl. Come on.
You're not in kindergarten. You're in first grade.
2nd grade. I'm considered 2nd grade because it's summer.
I consider second grade because it's summer.
Anyway, just quit the mouth. Sorry. Sister got a little carried away. So anyway, thank you for watching.